Hello guys, let's see that how to install MongoDB software. So go to the browser and search that mongodb.com. So once after searching that, it will take to the MongoDB website. Here you can find products. Click the products. Once if you click a product, you can find that one page. Here in that corner, right corner, you can find the try community edition download. So click that download. So once if you click that, it takes to the page. Here you can find a MongoDB community server download. Scroll and you can find in the down, that is a download button. Click the download. Once after click the download, now it started for the downloading purpose. Now the parallelly we will download our tools. So here left side you can find the tool button. Click the tool button. Once if you click the tool button, you can find the MongoDB shell. Click the MongoDB shell. After clicking a MongoDB shell, you can find here MongoDB shell download. Scroll down and you can find the download option. Click the download option. Now right now the two download it's happening. One is your MongoDB as well as one more is your mongosh. So let's wait for that. Once the download is over, let's start the process. Now I hope so your MongoDB shell it was downloaded successfully. So let's go to the downloads. Here you can see the downloads. In the downloads, MongoDB shell is downloaded successfully. Now what let's do? Let's unzip this shell. Right click, go to the extract all. Click here, extract all. So just click extract. Now your Mongo shell file it was extracted. So this extracted file, what you have to just click and right click and cut. After cut that, go to the this PC. Once after that, you can see that drive. Here we have the C drive. Open the C drive and paste in this place. Now here we have pasted the Mongo shell. Now we have to set the path for the Mongo shell. Open the shell. Once again you can find the Mongo sh282.83. You can get open that once again. Here you can find the bin. Open the bin and here you should copy the path. Copy the path. After copy the path, go to the search bar and search for variables, environmental variable. Here you can find the edit the system environmental variable. Open this. Once after open that, you can find here the environmental variable button. Just click the button. Once after click that, here you can see that user variable. Here in this you can have find something called path. Click the path, double click, and here you can have the new. Click a new and paste the path. After that, click OK. So once again click OK. So I hope so you are, that is a MongoDB also it's downloaded completed successfully. So let's parallelly install do that also. Now go to the downloads. Here what we have to do, double click, or you can do right click and you can go to that option called right click and okay, do double click here. Okay, just do double click. So once if you do double click, it will ask for the installation process. So here we will start here. So click next. After that, click the I accept the terms and license agreement. Just click here. After that, click next button. Here you can see the option called complete. Click the complete. After that, you can click next. Don't do any changes in this place. Click next. Once after the clicking next, you can see that install MongoDB Compass. Okay, click next once again. Here you can see the button called install button. Click install. Now it will start for the installation process. Now it will ask you the permission. Allow the permission, yes. Now it is started for the installation, MongoDB installation. So we'll wait for few minutes. When we are installing our MongoDB, it takes a huge amount of time. So once after completing that installation process, you can find that Compass installed successfully. Here the Compass it is open in the background. Yeah, we got a message called finish. Click a finish button. Once you after that, you can see the Compass. In the Compass, you can give connect. So once after connecting that, by defaultly you will have three databases. One is admin, one is config, and one more it is a local. So we should not touch three databases also. Okay, that's it. Now let's close this. And right now we have to set the environmental path for our MongoDB. Let's see that how to set the environmental path. So first open the our page, home page. Here you can find the this PC. In that PC you can see the Windows C. Open that. Here you can find the program files. Open the program file. Here you can find the MongoDB. Open the MongoDB and open the server. Open the server and you can find 8.3. Open it. And once again you can find bin. Open the bin. Here you can copy the bin path. After copy the bin path, once again go to the search bar and type variable, environmental variable. Open the environmental variable and here once again click environmental variable and once again go to the user variable, click the path, double click the path and once again click a new button, paste your path. After paste the path, click OK. Once after that, click once again OK. Here also OK. Now you can close the terminal. Now what you have to do, we should check. Open the CMD. After opening the CMD, here you can write the command. Let's check. I want to connect with the Mongo shell. How to connect? Just write MongoSH, MongoSH and give enter. So right now it is connected to your MongoDB database successfully. Through the shell we have connected. Now let's exit. So just write Control plus C twice. Now it's exited successfully. Now I want to check the version of our MongoDB. How to check? Right here, MongoD hyphen version. Give enter. So it is showing the version of your MongoDB. The version of our MongoDB it was v8.34. We are getting this is the version of our MongoDB. And let's check the version of our Mongo shell. So write MongoS and MongoS hyphen version. Give enter. So it is showing that version of your Mongos also. So the version it is once again we are getting something called 4.4, sorry, v8.3.4. This is our Mongo shell version. Okay, now successfully we are installed our MongoDB. That's it. Thank you guys.